Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a quick and essential task: how to log out of QuickBooks Desktop in 2025. Whether you're finishing up your accounting work for the day, switching to another user, or just wanting to secure your session, this step-by-step guide will have you covered. QuickBooks Desktop is a powerhouse for managing finances, but even simple things like logging out can trip people up if you're new to it. Don't worry. I'll walk you through it in just a few easy steps, and we'll keep things straightforward and engaging. First things first, make sure you've saved all your work. Nothing's worse than losing data, so double-check that any open files or entries are properly saved. Once that's done, head over to the top menu bar in QuickBooks Desktop. Click on the File menu. It's usually in the upper left corner. From the drop-down list, look for the Exit or Log Out option. In the 2025 version, QuickBooks has made this even more intuitive, so it should be right there. Go ahead and select Exit or Log Out. If you're in a multi-user environment, you might see a prompt asking if you want to log out completely or just close the program. Choose the option that fits your needs. Logging out will end your session securely. QuickBooks might take a second to save any final changes, so be patient. Once it's done, the program will close, and you'll be back to your desktop. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Always log out properly to avoid any sync issues, especially if you're using cloud features in 2025. If QuickBooks freezes or doesn't respond, try using the Task Manager to force close it, but that's rare. Remember, regular updates to QuickBooks keep things running smoothly, so check for any 2025 patches. And there you have it. That's how you log out of QuickBooks Desktop in 2025. It was easier than you thought, right? If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.